Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create smooth zoom out effects for your video in CapCut. So first, just prepare the clips that you want to edit and then click on a clip and add keyframes at the start and also at the end of the clip. Now on the first keyframe, zoom in the clip like this, and now click on grabs. Click on grabs here, click on custom and make this curve. So create this custom grab. Okay, now click on a check icon and just repeat the step for all of the clips and you are done. So this will be the result for the smooth zoom out effect. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.